For today's dessert, we recommend preparing the delicious Quince Kuglof Cake. Peel and clean the quince. Cut them into pieces and remove their seeds. Put the cup of quince on a strainer. Clean them with water. Put them in a pan. Cover them with water. Put them on the stove. Boil until they turn soft. Get rid of the water and put them in a bowl. Add water to the pan where the fruit was boiling. Add sugar. Boil for 10 minutes. Grate the quince. Put the grated quince in a pan. Add 10 ounces of water to the pan. Boil and mix with a spoon. Once the mixture starts boiling, put it in the syrup made out of the water where you boiled the quince. Put the mixture to boil. Add crushed walnuts and mix. After boiling and mixing for 10 minutes, put the mixture in a cake baking plate called Kuglof. Leave it to cool down. Once it's cooled down, take out the cake from the plate. Decorate with shapes made out of chocolate. The estimated time needed for the preparation of this dessert is about 4 hours. Cooling time included. Bon appetit!